Hello everyone and welcome to Telc Guy. Today I'll be teaching you how you can add a green screen on your CapCut video. So CapCut is a video editing software for video editors or even for just starters. So it's a good app that you can use to edit your videos for content or maybe for personal use. Whatever the reason is, CapCut is easy to use, it's free, but there are some features that may require payment, which we will be talking about in a short while. So what we want to do now is we want to head over to our CapCut. So let's just open CapCut. So as you can see here, we have two videos prepared. So we have a green screen and we have our main video. So for this one, what we want to do, very simple, place the green screen on the first track and then place the second or main video on top of the green screen. And of course, you want to make sure that the main video is aligned with the green screen. So let's just drag and reduce the video like so. And then afterwards, on the right panel, we want to stick with video and then scroll down. And then what we want to do is we want to click on remove or custom removal or remove background. And we want to click auto removal. So right now it's applying the feature. And once it's done, your video is ready to go. However, you want to make sure that the video is running smoothly. Now, as you see here right now, it's kind of blurry and the main video is cut out from time to time. So we don't want that in our video. So what we just want to do here is we want to make sure to find the correct time frame of the video that aligns with the green screen, like so. And then we cut it out again. So if you're going to select a green screen video, make sure that it's a still video. An important thing to point out is this feature is only available via the CapCut Pro, so you may want to subscribe to that as well. And that's it for today's video. Hope we were able to help you out.